Number 1 barbell curl. Grow the bicep and forearm muscle and also strengthen the hand grip. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Hold the straight bar or Olympic barbell with an underhand grip. Stabilize the elbow of the hand. Bring in the barbell up to the chest level and curl it. And with the control form, take the barbell to the starting position. Number 2 easy bars curl crusher. Target the tricep and build tricep size and strength. Using a light weight, lean down on a flat bench holding the easy bar. While bending the elbow, take the bar behind your head, then squeeze the tricep, and when you bring it up, stretch the tricep muscle. You can also perform this exercise with the dumbbell. Number 3 seated dumbbell curl. Isolate the bicep, get the bicep in good shape and increase the size of the bicep. Sit on the bench with back supported and curl the dumbbell up to the shoulder level, and with the same control form, bring in the dumbbell to the starting position. Number 4 rope overhead extension. Focus on the tricep development. Stand facing away from the cable machine. Hold a rope cable. Locking the elbow, pull the rope behind your head until your arms are completely straight so that your tricep muscle is properly stretched. Number 5 one arm dumbbell pitcher curl. Isolate the bicep and target the long head of the bicep. Place one arm on a pitcher bench. Hold dumbbell with other hand. Keep your hand on the bench. Curl the dumbbell upward, then squeeze the bicep muscle. If you bring it down, stretch the bicep muscle. It grow the peak of the bicep. Number 6 reverse grip push down. Target the tricep middle head and overall tricep development. In this your form will remain the same as cable push down. You just have hold the cable with reverse grip hand. You have to push the cable downward until your tricep muscle gets stretched properly and then bringing it back to the starting position. Number 7 overhead cable curl. Target the bicep from different angle and improve the bicep peak development. This has to be done by standing in middle of cross cable machine. Attach the handle to highest lock on the both side. Pull the handle up to your ears. Hold for 1 second and squeeze the bicep muscle. With this form, bring in the handle back to the starting position. Number 8 rope push down. Work the tricep lateral head and best exercise to maintain a good pump in tricep muscle. Stand in front of the cable machine with the rope cable. Tight your abdominal muscle and slightly bend your knees. Compared to straight bar cable, the tricep muscle is mostly stretched with the rope cable and create a better cutting in the tricep muscle.